can I just ask, so we've talked about EVs specifically there, but you kind of said right at the beginning about the fact that hybrid vehicles and their emissions don't fall under the current MOT.
So I think hybrid emission testing is a really interesting one. Naturally, there is no requirement to test an EV because it's not giving any emissions out to the atmosphere. Hybrids, on the other hand, are. So when we talk about a mild hybrid, for example, at the moment they are exempt emissions on an MOT. But a mild hybrid may only actually have 30-40 miles, adding to the range of potentially, if it's a Transit Custom, for example, it might be a mild hybrid and it's a 2.5 litre vehicle.
Engine. Yeah,
But at the
yeah.
moment, it's exempt emissions because what the Department for Transport did was they said, actually, we're just going to make all of them exempt because it's much easier than trying to determine whether or not a hybrid should be tested. In my view, they should be tested because they are creating emissions. So it seems reasonable to test them so that we can ensure that they meet the same standard and the same criteria of petrol and diesel vehicles. So that's my professional and personal opinion. So at the moment, you're absolutely right. If it's a self-charging hybrid and we have no way of knowing how hard the hybrid battery is working and how hard the petrol is working, then actually you could have a hybrid that isn't using the hybrid battery at all and is working solely off petrol. So then it's only right then that we should be checking the emissions on all of them and they should all meet the same criteria, and that's it.